Rachel here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing and try on haul of the stuff that I got recently. So I have UPBRA in here. If you guys have been watching my videos, you would know that I have featured UPBRA maybe twice before already, and they come up with a new style which I will show you in a bit. And I have shoes from AMI CLUBWEAR as well, which I will like try on and show you guys and review the quality. So it's kind of like an expectation versus reality. I'm planning to do this as a series, so I will be reviewing the stuff that I get online and see if they actually are the same as what we see on the website, because most of the time, let's be honest, they're not the same. So we'll see about that. And my eyebrows are really dark today so let's try and ignore that. But back to UPBRA. I have a couple pairs of their strapless bra and I use it on special occasion, but they came up with a new style which I'm really excited about. So I have one in here. They came up with this style here, so you can wear with t-shirts like what I'm wearing right now. I will show you guys the comparison of the UPBRA and just the normal bra. So right now I'm just wearing my normal bra, as you guys can see, and then I will show you guys a clip of me wearing the UPBRA. And with UPBRA, you can actually adjust the strap to move it like to here or to here to give you that lift. So if you need more lift, you can adjust it to like farther somewhere here. It's up to you. So I tried it on, and I tried it on without adjusting the strap at all, and you already can see that lift. But this next clip, I adjusted it to here. So that's the first, second, third, fourth. So fourth on both sides, and this is what it looks like. So if you're someone that needs a lift like that, this is really good, guys. And I like that they come up with this style here, because before it was just the strapless. But yeah, I will leave the link of UPBRA below. I have $10 discount for you guys, $10 US. So if you're interested, link will be below. Now onto the shoes. You guys, this is probably the biggest shoe package I have ever received in my life. Like, look at this box right here. That is a huge box, and I think I have like maybe 9-10 pairs of shoes here. So for the shipping, it took like maybe a week and a half, and I'm still waiting for more because I got more than this package here. These were actually sent to me by AMI CLUBWEAR, but I'm gonna tell you guys my honest review. So I will be telling you the prices and how they were for some of the shoes that I've already worn. Alright, so first pair is these slides right here. So this looks exactly the same as the picture. This one is size 5.5. These slides were originally $29.99, so $30, and they were on sale for only $9.99, so $10. The quality is not the best because I have used this 3 times only, and I can see it wearing off already. So it's already coming off on that side there. For $9.99, it's fine, but I'm not gonna buy this for $30 because of the fact that, yeah, that. But this feels really comfortable. This part here is really soft. It doesn't hurt my feet at all. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's a bit cushiony. Not like super cushiony, but cushiony enough that it's not uncomfortable to walk at all. So these are nice. I'm gonna give this 5 out of 10 just because of this right here. But then again, that's an easy fix if you have a glue. I don't. These I have worn as well already. My friend at work calls it my Playboy shoes. I like calling it pom-poms, but it's not. I like it. I like pointed shoes, and I have used this twice already. So far, so good. This one is how much? I believe all the shoes that I got, guys, were on sale. This one is a size 5. This was originally $29.99, and I got it for only $5.99. So $5.99 for this is not bad at all. It didn't give me blisters, which is good. So far, so good. I give this a 10 out of 10 because it's only $6, and I like it. I like black shoes. Alright, so the rest I haven't tried yet, but I'm just gonna rate it like the way it looks, if it looks exactly the same as the picture. and the price as well. So first is this from Top Moda. Ooh, sandals. I love sandals, you guys. I'm gonna try these on. This is a size 5 and look how gorgeous. They have all the colors, so you can wear like maybe white top or white romper or white maxi dress, and just that as a pop of color is really good. How much is this one? This one was originally $24.99. I got it for only $5.99. I'm not quite sure what I think about it. I feel like my feet doesn't look the best in them. It is just a bit tight on this part right here. I'm pretty sure I just have to break it in, but I really like the tassel details as well. I feel like it's gonna hurt my feet when I actually walk around using these, but this part is cushiony, so it's not bad, just this part right here. So I'm gonna give this, for the price, not bad at all. This is size 5 and I'm gonna give this maybe 6 out of 10. Oh, another slides, you guys. I think I got like 3 pairs of slides from there kasi I can't find slides that fits me here. This is size 5.5. It's originally $29.99. I got it for only $6.99, guys. This is not the same brand as the other one. So this one is from Top Moda and this one is from Anna. I'm not really into this kind of print, but I really wanted slides. I think my toes easily slips all the way here. I don't want that look. I don't want that. It's not as cushiony as the other one as well. I'm not quite sure if it's gonna be comfortable to walk because it's bigger, plus it's not as cushiony. I feel like when I walk, my toenails will just slip like that and I'll be walking like this. No way. For these, I'm gonna give it 3 out of 10. Is that harsh? I just don't think I will wear it. I don't think so. Okay, next is pair of sandals again. I like that it's very colorful. When I was choosing all the shoes online, I had Philippines in mind because we're going to the Philippines this December. So I got this. I just can't imagine myself like walking around the resort wearing these with a like really nice flowy maxi dress. How cool. But yeah, this one is size 5.5 and this is from the brand Bamboo. So this one is originally $24.99 and I got it for only $6.99. And I love the colors, you guys. I like that it has a bow design on there as well. It's very cushiony. This is actually kind of like a pleather material, not fabric. So, but this one here is fabric and I like that it blends in kahit na it's a different material. It actually fits me. I like the bow. I'm just not quite sure if the color of the strap is actually flattering on me, but yeah, it's fine. I think I'm gonna give it a 5. Yeah, 5 out of 10. But it looks exactly the same as the picture on the website, which is good. Okay, next pair we have UGG boots, but it's not the original UGG boots. I think I got this for only $4.99, something really crazy cheap like that. So this one here from $29.99, this is only $6.99, guys. This is a size 5.5 and it actually fits me perfectly. It has the fur something going on in the inside, and yeah, I haven't worn it yet, so I can't really tell if it's comfortable, but you can never go wrong with something like this, especially if it's only $7. Like, why not? And I give this like an 8 out of 10 because I haven't tried it yet, but it looks really good and it looks really comfy and I like the color as well. So plus the price, you can never go wrong. So I like those. And then I think we're almost done. We have 4 more left. No, 3 because this one is empty. Yes. Woo. Okay, so this one was originally $20 and I got it for only $4.99. $4.99. And this one looks exactly the same. I feel like with AMI CLUBWEAR, like they actually photograph the same exact shoe. Not other websites that they will just steal from, like, you know, magazines to post on their website. I feel like for these, they are the actual shoe, which is good. So this one is size 36, and I like that. I like the gold strap and this detail here. I also like that it has the gold, what do you call that? Border. This looks nice. Like, look at that. I like that. I like it. It looks sexy. It's very summery. I like the gold details. And it's only $5. I just want to show you this. That's like nothing though, but I just wanted to show you that it comes like that. And it looks like it's very hard to remove. It's dried glue. Like, look at those. But that's fine. I mean, not a big deal really. The style is fine. Price is good. I'm gonna give it 7 out of 10. Yes. Okay, down to our last 2 pairs. I'm excited. Oh, boots. Oh, what's this? What's this? We have an extra fabric. I don't know. I don't think that one is supposed to be there. But I got a pair of boots, you guys. It's suede. Is that suede? Or like velvet? No, not velvet. Suede. Maybe. I'm pretty sure this one is like extremely cheap for a pair of boots. From $44.99. You cannot believe. I got this for only $4.99, you guys. $4.99. It's crazy. This part right here is not my favorite because it makes that weird noise, kind of like a horse. But because it's not rubber, maybe it is rubber, but really hard rubber, that it makes that noise when you walk. But for the price, I cannot complain. It's fine. Maybe I can do something, or maybe I can buy something that I can actually put on here to get rid of the noise. But I also have to put something on here because it is the same exact. I don't know what to do. Obviously, I haven't worn it outside, so I'm not really sure how it will wear, but it looks good. I will give this one maybe a 6 out of 10. Last pair, you guys, and my battery is dying. This is a pair of boots as well. This one is the most expensive out of all the stuff that I got from this package. This one is $16, but the original price was $39.99. I should know my terms, but I'm not sure if it's suede. Is that suede? Yeah, it looks suede to me. Maybe. I don't know. I don't even know what suede is, to be honest. It's not velvet. Yeah, it's suede. It's suede. But the color is really nice. I'm not a big fan of this shape here. I want it to be like maybe more pointy. And also the heel is transparent, which is sexy. Yes. This is something I cannot wear socks with, or maybe like really thin socks, because it just fits me like a glove without a sock. And this one is the size 5.5. It is a bit tight, but it's cute. It fits my ankles as well. I'm so happy. Yeah, it looks nice. I like it. I feel like nagdilustre. Nagdilustre. I feel like this is the kind of shoe that she will wear. Diba? The color is really good. I'm not sure when I will wear this, but I give this one an 8 out of 10. Yes. And that is the last pair, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye.